Did Samsung just copy Apple, or has it come up with something better? The new Galaxy S25 series has introduced a feature that can make a huge difference for anyone who creates videos on their phone. You can now record videos directly to an external USB-C storage device. This may seem like a small change, but it could be a game changer for content creators and videographers who often work with large video files. If you shoot videos on your phone, you know that storage can quickly become a problem, especially when recording in high resolution. With the Galaxy S25, Samsung allows you to record directly to an external storage device so you don't have to worry about filling up your phone's memory. This is especially useful for long videos or high-quality footage like 4K or 8K videos, which can take up a lot of space. This feature works through the updated Camera Assistant app, which is only available for the Galaxy S25 series. The app allows you to record in several video modes, including standard video, pro video, portrait video, time-lapse, and slow motion. This means you can record in different styles and store everything on an external drive without any extra hassle. So why is this feature important? If you've ever tried recording long videos on your phone, you know how quickly storage can run out. No one wants to stop filming because their phone is full. By saving videos directly to an external USB-C storage device, you can keep recording for as long as you need without worrying about running out of space. Plus, transferring large files to your computer after recording can take time. With this new feature, you don't need to manually move files anymore. You just plug in a compatible external drive and start filming. Apple first introduced this feature with the iPhone 15 Pro in 2023, allowing users to record videos in the ProRes format to an external USB-C drive. But Samsung has taken it a step further. While Apple only supports ProRes, Samsung lets you record in multiple video formats, giving you more options and flexibility. This is great for people who need different video file types for editing or software compatibility. For anyone who creates video content regularly, whether it's for work, social media, or personal projects, this feature is a big win. It saves you time, keeps your phone's storage free for other things, and makes it easier to manage large video files. You don't have to worry about space or waste time transferring files after filming. There's one catch though. This feature is only available on the Galaxy S25 series for now. Samsung hasn't confirmed if it will come to older models through a software update. But given how useful this feature is, it would be great if it could be available on more Samsung devices or even other Android phones in the future. In many ways, Samsung is catching up to Apple with this new feature. While Apple was the first to introduce the ability to record video to an external storage device, Samsung has made it even more useful by allowing users to choose from different video formats. This feature could be a big deal for professionals and casual users alike. If you're using the Galaxy S25 series, you now have a feature that makes recording videos much easier. Whether you're a pro videographer or just someone who likes to capture high-quality footage, this new update is definitely worth checking out. With this feature, Samsung is showing that it's not just following Apple. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech news.
Are you ready for what could be Samsung's next big move in the smartphone market? Rumors are swirling about 3 upcoming A-series devices: the Galaxy S56, S36, and S26, and it looks like they're closer to launch than we might think. But what makes these devices worth paying attention to? Let's dive into the details that have everyone talking. Recent leaks and certifications have shed some light on these models, giving us a glimpse of their potential design, specifications, and even their launch timeline. Samsung seems to be positioning these phones to continue the legacy of their popular predecessors with upgrades that could make them stand out even more. The most exciting piece of news: the charging speeds of these devices, which have just been confirmed through a recent certification. Here's what we know so far. The Galaxy S56, S36, and S26 were recently spotted on the TÜV Rheinland certification list. This certification is often a strong indicator that a product is gearing up for an official release. According to the listing, the Galaxy S56 and S36 support charging speeds of 10 volts and 4.5 amperes, allowing for a maximum power output of 45 watts. For the Galaxy S26, the numbers are slightly lower, with 9 volts and 2.77 amperes, supporting up to 25 watts of charging speed. These figures suggest that Samsung is focusing on faster, more efficient charging, which has become a crucial feature for smartphone users today. But what's even more interesting is how the timing aligns with Samsung's usual product launch patterns. If we take a look at history, Galaxy S55 and S35 were officially released on March 11, 2025. With just over a month left for these devices to reach their one-year mark, it's highly likely that their successors, the Galaxy S56 and S36, will be announced soon. Samsung typically rolls out new versions of its A series smartphones around this time of year, making the launch of these new devices seem imminent. Now let's take a moment to consider what this could mean for the market. The A series has always been a sweet spot for those who want premium features at a mid-range price. With solid performance, sleek designs, and competitive pricing, these devices are often a go-to for users who want value without compromising on quality. If Samsung builds on the success of the A55 and A35, the A56, A36, and A26 could be game changers in their category. The confirmed charging speeds alone make them intriguing options. Faster charging isn't just a nice-to-have anymore, it's a necessity. In today's fast-paced world, being able to top up your battery quickly can make all the difference. Whether it's getting through a busy workday or staying connected during a long trip, features like 45-watt charging on the Galaxy A56 and A36 give users a significant edge. Meanwhile, the Galaxy A26 25-watt charging ensures that even the most budget-friendly option in this lineup doesn't lag too far behind. While the leaks haven't provided a complete picture yet, they do give us a good idea of what to expect. Samsung has always struck a balance between performance, design, and affordability in its A series, and there's no reason to believe this lineup will be any different. From better battery performance to likely camera upgrades, these smartphones could cater to a wide range of users. So, when can we expect to see them? If the certification timeline is anything to go by, it wouldn't be surprising if Samsung announces these devices within the next month or two. The timing feels right, and with competitors constantly pushing the envelope, Samsung will want to keep its edge in the market. If you like this video, then subscribe to our channel for all the latest news and updates on the tech world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Samsung is on the verge of launching a highly anticipated mid-range smartphone, the Galaxy S25, and it's creating quite a buzz. With a slew of exciting certifications and leaks circulating, we're getting a clearer picture of what this device will offer. A major highlight is that the Galaxy S25 will come pre-installed with One UI 7 based on Android 15 right out of the box. Let's take a closer look at everything we know so far. Recently, the Galaxy S25 passed through the U.S. Federal Communications Commission certification process under the model number SMA566E. This version is expected to be primarily available in markets across Asia and the Middle East. While certifications like this are common, one particular detail has stood out. A screenshot from the phone's status information screen included in the certification document has revealed that the Galaxy S25 will run Samsung's One UI 7 interface. This confirmation adds to earlier reports that the phone will be powered by Android 15, offering users a fresh and upgraded experience right from the start. While leaks from sources like Geekbench had already hinted at Android 15, this FCC certification provides concrete evidence of One UI 7 integration. The new software brings a host of design and functional improvements, ensuring a smoother, more intuitive user interface for those looking for an efficient and enjoyable smartphone experience. As for the hardware, the Galaxy S25 is set to deliver impressive specifications. The phone will feature 5th-generation connectivity, making it a great choice for anyone who wants fast, reliable mobile internet. Additionally, Bluetooth version 5.3 will provide enhanced wireless performance, ensuring a stable and high-quality connection when using Bluetooth devices such as headphones, speakers, and even during file transfers. Charging speed is another area where the Galaxy S25 stands out. With 45-watt fast charging support, this smartphone is designed to top up your battery in a fraction of the time compared to many other devices in the same price range. Whether you need a quick recharge during a busy day or just want to get back to using your phone without waiting, this feature will be a game changer for many users. In addition to the Galaxy S25, the certification process has revealed that 2 other A-series models, the Galaxy S36 and Galaxy S26, are also in the pipeline. While details about these devices remain scarce, it's clear that Samsung is preparing to update its A-series lineup in a big way. The certifications suggest that these models could be launching soon, giving customers a wide range of options to choose from. Combining the latest software with top-tier hardware features, the Galaxy S25 looks like it will be a solid contender in a competitive mid-range market. Samsung's decision to include One UI 7, along with advanced features like 5G support, Bluetooth 5.3, and 45-watt fast charging, shows that the company is focused on delivering a device that meets the needs of today's smartphone users. For those considering a new phone, the Galaxy S25 offers an exciting package. With the latest version of Android, a seamless user interface, fast connectivity, and rapid charging, it's shaping up to be a great choice for those who want a reliable device that doesn't break the bank. What do you think of the Galaxy S25? Does its combination of advanced software and impressive hardware make it the perfect choice for your next smartphone? Leave your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to stay up to date with all of Samsung's latest news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.